Do you need more leads to grow customers and cash flow? I don't mean leads you have to cold call or cold email. I mean a steady stream of highly qualified leads who email you, book meetings with you, send you LinkedIn messages, and even call you. All because they are excited to talk to you about your product or service. Now, why do they want to talk with you? Because these cold leads have been converted to hot leads. Where can you find hot leads like these? Only on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the most massive lead generation platform on earth with almost 500 million users and growing in 200 plus countries worldwide. Now, there are a number of third-party studies that confirms that this is the most effective lead source, the most productive, and it's just the best. It's the #1 most used lead channel from the social media standpoint, has the best response rates of all social media channels. It's the best at driving web traffic out of all other social media channels, and it's the best at pre-sales and post-sales engagement of all other social media channels that exist. So let me ask you this. If you know LinkedIn is the best B2B lead source, why aren't you getting all the hot leads that you need to contact you so you can grow your customers and cash flow too? Well, let me guess. Perhaps you're one of the many people who aren't sure what to do, or you know what to do but you're tired of doing the work, or you don't mind the work but you don't have enough time to do it. Regardless of the reason, you just want somebody to do it for you so you can focus on closing more sales, increasing cash flow, and having more fun. And before I discovered what I'm going to show you today, I tried everything to generate B2B leads, but I got very frustrated by all the online marketing techniques. I even tried cold calling, but I don't like it, and I got very frustrated with all the time that was wasted and all the money that was wasted too. Then I discovered the solution I'm about to reveal to you, a solution that I believe works for everyone. My reason is I believe just what Zig Ziglar said. You can have everything in life that you want if you help enough other people get what they want. So let me show you how to get it all done for you. Introducing Done For You B2B Leads. We do all the work needed to get you a steady stream of your highly qualified leads to email you, book meetings with you, send you LinkedIn messages, and even call you. Now let me show you what we do for you. Before we start, let's talk about success online. The 3 keys to success that you need are to have optimized landing page to drive traffic and then convert this traffic to profit. Well, LinkedIn works the same way, except the landing page is your profile. LinkedIn also has limits on your daily marketing activities. It's a use it or lose it type of relationship. And if you don't do it today, you don't get twice as much tomorrow. So it's very critical that you have an excellent plan in order to succeed in building a powerful network and generating leads on LinkedIn. Now, we start by consulting with you to design your unique selling proposition in your LinkedIn funnel. Then we optimize your LinkedIn profile, or your landing page as we like to call it. So that way it resonates with your ideal prospects. Prospects will then find you in the LinkedIn search engine because of our optimization, and also the ones that we drive to your profile because of our marketing. Prospects will view your profile or landing page, then they will convert to an online sale or appointment. Next, we will grow and nurture your targeted marketing list inside of LinkedIn by sending thousands of custom invitations to connect with you and then nurture that relationship. Again, the goal is to convert these leads to online sales or appointments. Here's what we do for you. We target your ideal prospects. We build your LinkedIn list. We send custom promotional messages to your new connections, and we drive high-quality prospects into sales appointments. Let's see what customers are saying. Jeff M. heads up a U.S. charter company, and he closed 2 sales worth $20,000 each within the first couple of weeks. VH reports that we generated more conversations with qualified leads in 2 weeks than was generated by telesales cold calling campaign over a 2-month period for more than 1,000 companies. Brad generated $70,000 worth of business in the first 6 weeks. Ermina closed $7,500 in sales just from the quarterly follow-up program alone. Phil built 1,400 qualified warm leads in the first 3 months of using our service. Rivers reported that out of the first 500 emails he sent, over 200 responses came in, and he set up 91 phone calls. Julie said she's generating meetings straight from the messaging inside of LinkedIn even before we got to the email campaign. Dawn generated 250 highly qualified B2B insurance leads in the first 2.5 months in using the program. Darian had to hire a VA just to help him with the program with all of the leads that were setting up meetings with him in his calendar. Now, it should be clear that we can get you highly qualified leads to email you, book meetings with you, send you LinkedIn messages, and even call you. Click the button below to book a meeting with your certified social leads consultant today.